Yoma, Perek Bet.
Mishnah 6.
Yeah, Yoma, Perek Bet, Mishnah Vav, Mishnah 6. Mishnatenu ba lelamed, our Mishnah comes to teach us, Shedavka Korban HaKeves, that before we were talking about the sacrifice of the sheep, the Tamid sacrifice of the morning. שהוא בן שנתו, it's a 1-year-old sheep, כגון התמיד, for example, the Tamid offering, קרב בתשעה כהנים. There's 9 parts, and 9 כהנים take those parts onto the altar. אבל קורבן אחר טעון יותר כהנים. But there are some other sacrifices that you will need more than 9. For example. No, even in the holidays I'm talking about. In the holidays, it's not a korban. The korban itself we're talking about.
Yeah, what I'm saying, in the holidays, it's because of the day, it's the same korban. Because of the day, you need more kohanim. Here,
it's because of the korban. It's because of the korban you need more kohanim.
No, here is the ayin. Kohanim is because on keves.
Yeah.
Ayin, you need more. Keves.
Yeah, we're going to see. It's because of the korban, not because of the extra wine and the extra solid. Yeah. So let's see.
Because of the day.
Yeah. Ayil, קורבן האיל שהוא בן 2 שנים, the sheep is small, the ayil, the ram is 2-year-old, קרב ב-11 כהנים. The sacrifice itself comes with 11 כהנים. הבשר ב5, the flesh in 5, כהנים כמפורט לעיל בתמיד, just like the sheep, הראשון מעלה את הראש והרגל, one goes the head and the one leg, השני שתי הידיים, the second the 2 other legs, השלישי העוקץ והרגל, the third one the fat in the backside and the other leg, הרביעי החזה והגרה, the fourth gives the chest and the esophagus, החמישי שתי הדפנות, and the fifth one gets the 2 sides, the 2 ribs. הקרביים שהם כבדים בעיל מכבש. And then what about the innards that they are heavier from the keves? והסולת והיין, and also the salt and the wine, the bread and the wine, שמרובים בעיל, that you have to bring more when you bring a ram, מבכבש, שהסולת בכבש יסרון אחד, ובעיל 2 עשרונים. The salt in the keves, in the sheep, like we discussed yesterday, is only 1 יסרון, and in the ram it's 2 עשרונים. והיין בכבש רביעי טעין, and the wine in the sheep, like we discussed yesterday, is 3 lugs, ובעיל שלישי טעין, and in the ram it's going to be 4 lugs. בשניים שניים, so those extra part, instead of 1 person taking them, you need 2 people to take them. כל דבר קרב בשני כהנים, all these you need 2 כהנים, הרי כאן עוד 6 כהנים. So we have, except the regular ones, 6 more. ובין כולם 11. So you have 11 altogether.